Hello, welcome to Module 1 Webex Setup Assist Overview. My name is Roxanne Raimondo and I am the Senior Director of Partner Operations. During this module, I will give you a high-level overview of what Webex Setup Assist is, what that high-level engagement process is, and where to go for additional information. So to start, what is Setup Assist? Setup Assist is a Cisco-provided SKU for both migration and implementation services. The reason we decided to offer Setup Assist is to really drive down the initial cost of implementation and migration, and to be more in line with market expectations. The ultimate goal of Setup Assist is to provide a speedy adoption of cloud calling for our partners and customers. I cannot stress this enough that Webex Setup Assist is a 12-month partner-led offer. It must be positioned by Cisco and partner sales team as a holistic offer from the partner to the customer. Since Cisco is providing these services at a low charge and due to competitive pressure in this space, the expectation is that partners can be much more aggressive in their overall costs to the end customer. Most important, we need to engage the base before it is disrupted by our competitors, and Webex Setup Assist will allow us to do that. From a very high level, there are 3 different areas of the Webex Setup Assist services scope. The first is project management. The project manager will create a project plan based on the customer's requirements and go live date. As part of this, we will identify stakeholders and the escalation path, make sure that we keep the project on track, and identify risks and communicate what the resolution plan is. Also, the PMO will coordinate all the resources that are required. Second is the migration services itself, led by the migrations team. The goal of migration services is really to develop a migration plan to fit our customers' business requirements, taking things into account such as the existing equipment, device compatibility, network requirements, and the existing configuration. The third area is go live enablement. Again, this is led by the migration team and involves both the partner and the customer. If on-site resources are required for the migration, they will be coordinated. In addition, if any devices need to be upgraded, that will also be part of the go live enablement. Numbers that need to be ported are also ported and confirmed. A key part of go live is the performance of a test plan. This test plan will identify and verify any issues discovered during testing and will address all those issues to ensure a successful deployment. One of the questions I get often is, do I have to use Setup Assist? No, Setup Assist is not required. However, our recommendation is to use it where and when it makes sense, especially in competitive situations. Why are we offering Setup Assist? I think to stress again, the goal of the program is not to take money away from our partners. We are really working to increase penetration in cloud calling and trying to be as competitive as possible. Will this reduce my overall services revenue? For Webex calling sales, there is a potential of reducing your overall services revenue. However, as the cloud calling market is evolving and growing, implementation service dollars are already naturally decreasing and driving down what partners are making versus traditional on-premise services revenue. This is a market trend that is years in the making, and it is not due to Cisco. Our goal, Cisco's goal, is to help our partners make this transition. By increasing sales velocity and the movement to cloud calling sales, the ultimate goal is to speed up our implementation velocity. There's also a lot of questions on where partners can go if they have questions. The Calling Help Desk is available to address any informational questions that partners may have about migration. You can access us by calling us, live chatting, or sending us an email. In addition, Sales Connect has a lot of information on the service, the Webex Setup Assist, description of services, and frequently asked questions. This is the completion of Module 1. Please see Module 2 for more information on the 5 distinct phases of Webex Setup Assist and details on the roles and responsibilities between Cisco, our partners, and the customer. Thank you.